The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, but what's the charge? What's the charge, officer? What's the charge? I saw you assault. I saw you assault. I saw you assault. You know. I saw you punch the man. I saw you punch the man. I saw you punch the man. Okay. I saw you punch the man. Sorry. Yeah, we're making room for you. Okay. We see you. You are. Yeah, hello. That's private property. You can't touch that. Okay. Don't confuse yourself because you are in a gun. None of you in uniform, nobody knows who you are. I saw you punch the man. Your colleague is right there. He can attest to that. He knows that you punched the man. I saw you do that. Okay? I know you as an officer. I address you as an officer, but the man. Okay? Never told him anything. No, I just know him as a police, so I address him as police. You check it, but he was the one who assaulted the man. Okay? Alright? He was the one who assaulted the man. I saw that. I saw that. You check it? Monsieur, nous ne pouvons exporter ici là. Mais pour qui ça? Pour qui ça? Moi, je stop work. Maman qui est. Moi, je stop work. So, officer, you all came to assist an officer. What is it we going on with the man for? Huh? You all came to assist a colleague. But for what reason? Don't come and say, hold on. The man is wrong. I can't tell you. I see the man punch the officer, the gentleman, you know. I saw him attack the man. So the man not supposed to defend himself when he doesn't know that he is dealing with a police? He does not know he's dealing with a police. He can't defend himself. And the man punch him. When he go to court. I don't know, apparently a bus driver was coming out and this guy with his vehicle, alright, this gentleman with his vehicle, apparently they team each other there, so they didn't want to go back. Okay? But nobody knows anything about him being a police, that's what I'm telling you.
Trust me that they're going on.
That they're going on with your place. That's what I'm talking about. It's all people relax, cause relax.
You, I mark you. 95-25.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, the video that I just saw a while ago, viewers and subscribers, based on a news report that I saw about this whole incident, it said that the man is a bus driver, right? And the man had somewhat of an altercation with a man that is said to be a police officer, right? Now, based on the news report that I saw, it would seem as if the man did not know that the man was a police officer. And at the end of all of this that had happened, the man that is said to be a bus driver had got charged for resisting arrest and more. And viewers and subscribers, because of this incident that had happened, his colleague, or you could say co-workers, right? Because you know that he's a man that operates a bus, so he drives a public passenger vehicle. So the co-workers or colleagues, as you would call it, they withdrew their services for a little while, you know, in protest towards the incident that had happened, right? Now, viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media. I'm going to present it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, right? So, who was wrong in this incident that had happened, right? Is it the bus driver or is it the police officer? You tell me what you think about something like this. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. They have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.